Rajput Dynasty of Kangra. Ruled much of Himachal Pradesh and parts of Punjab. Bundalus of Bundelkhand. Ruled Bundelkhand from 16th century onwards. Tomaras of Delhi Gwalior. Pathanias of Nurpur. Ruled from 11th century to 1849 over parts of northern Punjab and Himachal Pradesh. Sisodius of Mewar, Udaipur. Kashwahas of Jaipur. Rathores of Marwar, Jodhpur and Bikaner. Jadejas of Kutch. Hadas of Jalawar, Kotabundi. Bhatis of Jaisalmer. Shekhawats of Shekhawati. Dogra dynasty of Jammu and Kashmir. Famous Rajput rulers and personalities. 18th century. And before Amar Singh Rathore was a Rathore Rajput nobleman affiliated with the royal house of Marwar and a courtier of the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in 17th century India. After he was disinherited and exiled by his family, he entered the Mughal service. His legendary bravery and battle prowess resulted in elevation to a high rank in the imperial nobility and personal recognition by the emperor, who made him the Subadar, governor of a region that was directly ruled by the emperor himself, Nagaur. Bappa Rawal, born Prince Kalboj c. 713-810. 8th ruler of the Guhilot Rajput Dynasty and founder of the Mewar Dynasty. Bryce, 734-753, in present-day Rajasthan, India. Chhatrapati Shivaji, the founder of the Maratha Empire and considered by many to be the greatest warrior in the modern history of the Indian subcontinent. Chhatrapati Shivaji, the founder of the Maratha Empire and considered by many to be the greatest warrior in the modern history of the Indian subcontinent. Durgadas Rathore, Durgadas Rathore, 13th August 1638, 22nd November 1718, is credited with having preserved the rule of the Rathore dynasty over Marwar, India, following the death of Maharaja Jaswant Singh in the 17th century. In doing so, he had to defy Aurangzeb, a Mughal emperor. Mirza Raja Jai Singh, 15th July 1611, 28th August 1667, was a senior general, Mirza Raja, of the Mughal Empire and a ruler of the Kingdom of Amber, later called Jaipur. His father was Maha Singh, the Raja of Garha, and his mother was Damayanti, a princess of Mewar. Jai Singh II, founder and king of Jaipur. Maharaja Sawai Jai Singh, November 3, 1688, September 24, 1743, was the Rajput ruler of the Kingdom of Amber, later called Jaipur. He was born at Amber, now Jaipur, the capital of the Kachwahas. He became ruler of Amber at the age of 11 after his father Maharaja Bishan Singh died on 31st December 1699. Jai Singh Prabhakar, 14th June 1882, 19th May 1937, was a Maharaja of the princely state of Alwar from 1892 to 1937. The only son of the previous ruler, Sir Mangal Singh Prabhakar Bahadur, Sir Jai Singh initially was noted as brilliant, erudite, and charming. He was succeeded by a distant relation, Tej Singh Prabhakar Bahadur. General Maharaja Sir Ganga Singh, GCSI, GCIE, GCVO, GCSTJ, GBE, KCB, October 3, 1880, Bikaner, 2nd February 1943, Bombay, was the ruling Maharaja of the princely state of Bikaner, in present-day Rajasthan, India, from 1888 to 1943. He is widely remembered as a modern reformist visionary, and he was also the only non-white member of the British Imperial War Cabinet during World War I. Maharaja Gulab Singh, who became the first Maharaja of Jammu and Kashmir. Maharaja Gulab Singh Jamwal, 1792-1857, was the founder of Dogra Dynasty and the first Maharaja of the princely state of Jammu and Kashmir, the largest princely state under the British Raj, which was created after the defeat of the Sikh Empire in the First Anglo-Sikh War. During the war, Gulab Singh stayed aloof, which helped the British victory, and even became Prime Minister of the Sikh Empire for the final 38 days of conflict. Maharaja Jaswant Singh of Marwar. Maharaja Sir Hari Singh, GCSI GCIE GCVO, September 1895, 26 April 1961, was the last ruling Maharaja of the princely state of Jammu and Kashmir. Hari Singh was the son of Amar Singh and Bhotiali Chib. In 1923, following his uncle's death, Singh became the new Maharaja of Jammu and Kashmir. After Indian independence in 1947, Singh wanted Jammu and Kashmir to remain as an independent kingdom. Maharaja Jaswant Singh, 26th December 1629, 28th December 1678, was a ruler of Marwar in the present-day Indian state of Rajasthan. He was a Rajput belonging to the Rathore clan. His father was Maharaja Gaj Singh Bafur. He was a distinguished man of letters and author of Siddhant Bodh, Anand Vilas, and Bhasa Bhusan. Maharana Pratap, or Pratap Singh, May 9th, 1540, January 19th, 1597, was a Hindu Rajput ruler of Mewar, a region in northwestern India in the present-day state of Rajasthan. He belonged to the Sisodiya sept of Rajputs. In popular Indian culture, Pratap is considered to exemplify the qualities like bravery and chivalry to which Rajputs aspire, especially in context of his opposition to the Mughal Emperor Akbar. Maharao Shardul Singh ji Shekhawat was born in 1681 and was the ruler of Junjunu in present-day Rajasthan, India. After his death, the estate was divided equally among his 5 sons, whose descendants continued to rule over it until India achieved independence. Raumaldeo Rathore, R. 1511, November 7th, 1562, was an Indian ruler of Marwar, which was later known as Jodhpur, in the present-day Rajasthan state of India. He was a scion of the Rathore clan. His father was Rao Ganga, and his mother was Rani Padmavati of Sirohi. The then Muslim historian Firishta calls him as the most potent prince of Hindustan. Prithviraj III, commonly known as Prithviraj Chauhan, 1149–1192 CE, was a king of the Hindu Chauhan dynasty who ruled the kingdoms of Ajmer and Delhi in northern India during the latter half of the 12th century. Prithviraj Chauhan belonged to the Rajput Chauhan clan and was the last independent Hindu king before Hemu to sit upon the throne of Delhi. He succeeded to the throne in 1169 CE at the age of 20 and ruled from the twin capitals of Ajmer and Delhi, which he received from his maternal grandfather Arkpal, or Anangpal III, of the Tomara dynasty in Delhi. Mirza Raja Man Singh Dharai, 21st December 1550, 6th July 1614, was a Kachwaha Rajput prince who became the 24th Maharaja of Amber from 1589 to 1614, and the Subadar of Bengal for 3 terms from 1595 to 1606. He served in the imperial Mughal army under Emperor Akbar. Raja Bhagwant Das, 1527 to December 1589, was the 23rd Kachwaha ruler of Amber. His sister, Mariam-uz-Zamani, was the chief consort of Mughal Emperor Akbar and mother of his successor, Emperor Jahangir. His son, Man Singh I, one of the Navaratnas of Akbar, became the highest-ranking official of his court, and his daughter, Man Bai, was the first and chief wife of Prince Salim, later Jahangir. Rana Hamir Dev belonged to the Chauhan dynasty and drew his lineage from Prithviraj Chauhan, who enjoys a respectable place in the Indian history. During his 12 years' reign, Hamir Dev fought 17 battles and won 13 of them. He annexed Malwa, Abu, and Mandalgarh, and thus extended his kingdom to the chagrin of Delhi Sultan Jalaluddin, who had misgivings about Hamir's intentions. Maharana Kumbha, Hindu Suratran, and Abhinav Bhattacharya, or Kumbhakarna Singh, died 1468 AD, was the ruler of Mewar, a state in western India between 1433 and 1468 AD, and belonging to the Sisodia clan of Rajputs. Kumbha was a son of Rana Mokal of Mewar by his wife Sobhagya Devi, a daughter of Jaitmal Sankla, the Parmara fiefholder of Runkot in the state of Marwar. Maharana Sangram Singh, 12th of April 1484, 17th of March 1527, commonly known as Rana Sanga, was the Rajput ruler of Mewar, which was located within the geographic boundaries of present-day India's modern state of Rajasthan. He ruled between 1509 and 1527. A scion of the Sisodia clan of Suryavanshi Rajputs, Rana Sanga succeeded his father, Rana Raimal, as king of Mewar in 1509. Thank you for watching. We hope you have a good time, and we are honored to have you join our family.